Hello friends, my name is Sarthak Gupta and I am a proud Navkarite. I cleared my Chartered Accountancy course May 18 from Navkar only, and also I have done my IPCC level CA examination from Navkar in May 15. In that IPCC level, I got 49th All India rank. About Navkar, I would like to say that they provide us one-all solution for the CA examination and from CPT to final level. I joined Navkar from CPT. They gave us exam schedule and we follow that schedule and we clear the whole CA course in first attempt only. And I would like to say that the exam schedule of the Navkar is one of the best for the CA student. We have to just follow the exam schedule and we will clear the CA course in just one attempt only. And in IPCC as well as in final, I follow the exam schedule of the sir and I clear my IPCC as well as CA final in the first attempt only. And finally, I would like to say that Navkar Institute is the best coaching institute in the Ahmedabad as well as for the outside people also who came Ahmedabad for this particular CA course and they joined Navkar. Further to my discussion, I would like to say that the Navkar coaching is not only limited to the teaching, but it also provides after completion of CA the placement services, which I think none of the institute of the Chartered Accountancy course provide. Today I have come for the interview in one of the big four, that is KPMG, and I got the interview for the KPMG. And this is the sir is providing a platform where you can place yourself to the big companies and present ourselves and get the good job. Navkar Institute, we believe in the best.